Okay guys, in today's video we will be analyzing some of these assets and see how we can make $200 uh, on a minimum, okay, from today's analysis. Okay, we usually do this once in a week, and of course this will help you to learn how to use your trading tool very well, to analyze on your own, and of course to generate your trading signals on your own, and of course it will also help you to make some good amount of money today. So we will be doing this together right now. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time and you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so guys, these are the okay, we will be starting with boom 1000, and I'm on 5-minute time frame, and I will be using the 3M trend milker to do my analysis right here. Okay, so if you are also having this trading tool, you can join me with this analysis. Okay, if you are not, just go through whatever we will be doing in this video, and of course you will get more out of it. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, remember the last time we did our analysis on this boom 1000, we said it has got into this resistance zone, and it is giving us a letter M, and of course that means that it's going to sell. Okay, I didn't even know that it's going to go this far. Okay, so this is where I highlighted then, but it broke out from this support zone and got to the bigger picture, which happened to be this. So I expected it to pull back or to change the direction of the trend when it got to this section, but it didn't change, so it broke out from that support zone again. It usually happens like that. Okay, so it is only giving us more opportunity to sell more. Check it out, it sold for a very long time, and if you should look at our trading tool, okay, it gave us the right signal right from the beginning. Okay, it gave us a downtrend signal, which happened to be this red flag, and of course a sell signal right from there till the very end. You can see it kept on selling and selling, breaking out from major support zones. Okay, and of course right now it is still selling. Okay, so let's look at H1 to see what is happening around there. Okay, so as we can see, it has gotten to the last part of H1. Let's move up to H4 to see what is happening around there. At least with this we will be able to see, okay, clearly what is happening. Okay, so this is still very much on downtrend, although it is at this stage. We need to be very careful around here. If it breaks out from there, then definitely it should try to get to these spots, and once it breaks out from here, then it is coming to this region. Okay, so this is going to be a very long sell. Okay, so first of all, we need it to break out from this particular section. Okay, it is approaching this. Once it breaks out from here, it will get to this. Once it breaks out from here, then definitely it's going to be a very long sell again, and we may likely get it around there. So guys, if you had been on this platform for a while, you've been trading this asset for a while, then it means that we still have the opportunity to sell more. Okay, so you guys can take advantage of it. There can be pullbacks in between, but we still have the opportunity to sell more. Okay, so let's move on to boom 500. Okay, this is boom 500 on 5-minute time frame, and we will be adding our trading tool to it right now. Okay, so this is it, guys, this is it. So just where we are saying this had been on downtrend for long. Okay, it has gotten to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on uptrend. And of course, as you can see, we've gotten the trend signal, the buy signal, and of course we want it to break out from here. Once it breaks out from here, then definitely we expect it to get to this region, okay, as the next TP. Okay, so and if it breaks out from that part, then definitely it should be getting to somewhere here. So we should watch out for all these highlighted areas. Okay, let's move on to crash 1000. Let's move on to crash 1000. This is crash 1000, and crash 1000 was a downtrend before, but after getting to this support zone, it had a major pullback, then came down again. We then went back up to break out above that resistance zone, and it has been buying since then. Got to this resistance zone, it was unable to break out from there, and of course it may likely pull back before trying to sell again. Okay, so we expect more of a selling opportunity. We expect it to get to this. In case it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then it's going to sell and may likely get to this region, and once it breaks out from there, we expect it to get to this particular spot, and once it breaks out from this particular spot, and of course it should be getting to this region. Okay, so we should take note of all these. Okay, then let's check out the last asset, which is going to be crash 500. Okay, crash 500 has been on downtrend for a very long time. With this structure we are getting from here, then it will be buying. Okay, so and of course guys, if you notice it, it's buying at the moment, and we expect it to get to this particular spot right now. Okay, once it breaks out from there, then it should be getting to this region. Okay, so this is going to be a good buy for each and every one of us, so you guys can take advantage of it right from there. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family, and do not forget to join the Telegram platform, because there are a lot of activities going on right there in the Telegram channel. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.